Hey buddies, what's up? This is PC Mentor and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new Microsoft Edge browser that is based on the Chromium. Recently Microsoft released the new Edge browser that is based on the Chromium on the January 15, 2020. It is compatible with the all supported versions of Windows and Mac operating system. Downloading this browser will replace the legacy version of the Microsoft Edge on the Windows 10 PCs. So if you are using Windows 10 now, by downloading this browser it will replace that previous Microsoft Edge browser with the speed, performance, best in the class, compatibility for websites and extension, and built-in privacy and security features. Now let's jump how to download and install. I have again link in the description, just copy that and once you are here, so here you have to select whatever operating system you are using. As I am using Windows 8, I'm gonna click this, accept and download. The file will be downloaded. And this is the initial setup and the online installer. So it is exactly like the Chrome, and let me skip the video. Once the downloading is completed and it will be installed automatically. And here we go. So now it is installed and this is the main interface. So I'm gonna click start with your data, confirm, and here is you have to choose the look for the new tab. So I'm gonna select the inspirational and done. So now I'm going to change the language settings and here we go, United States English. So if you scroll down here, you have we have the new feeds. You can personalize it and you can select whatever of your interest. So this was all about the new feeds, how to personalize it, and now I'm going to settings, and here we go. So about Microsoft Edge, here you can check which version of the Microsoft Edge you are currently using, and this browser is made possible for the Chromium open source project and other open source softwares. And here we have the extensions. You can add whatever extensions you want from the Microsoft Edge. There are a lot of other extensions as well. On the left side you can see the categories. So now if you want to enable the developer mode for the extensions, you can enable it from here. So now I'm going to search something, and as you can see, the by default search engine is Bing. If you want to customize to other search engine, just go there and type search engine, and here from here you can add your own search engine. Now I'm going to select the Google, and if you want to add your own search engine, you can add it here. So this was all about the Microsoft new Edge Chromium browser. So if you have still any question regarding this video, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.